Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can share your YouTube videos on your subreddit. Well, sharing your YouTube videos on your subreddit allows you to directly engage with a dedicated community built around your contents, fostering deeper connections and encouraging discussions in a space where the most members feel comfortable sharing their opinions. Now, let's share YouTube videos. Well, there are different ways you can use to share your YouTube videos. First, find the video you want to share. Now, here you can share the video using the share button. Then select the platform you want to share it on. Since I'm making this video about Reddit, I'm selecting Reddit. It will grab the video link and title automatically. Here, select the community and assign a flare. Since this video is not about memes, I'm just putting it under other memes. Now, just click on post to share it. Well, it will start showing up shortly. Anyhow, on the other hand, you can go to link tab under create post. And share the YouTube page URL by copying and pasting here. Then copy the title of the video and paste it here. Then assign a flare. And then click on post to share it. Well, another way of sharing your videos is to upload them directly. So go to create post and under images tab, you can upload it. But the thing is, it won't be published because the tab name says images only. And it's just because I turned on mature content while creating the community, and videos are not allowed in private or in communities with 18+ contents. And if you won't turn on the mature content option while creating the community, the name of the tab will be images and videos, which means you will be able to upload and publish both images and videos. Anyhow, you can also share your YouTube videos by embedding them. So to embed your video, go to text tab under create post and copy the title and paste it here. Then write something about the post and add an image. Then to embed the link of your video, just select a word or words and then click on this icon. And then add your link here. Then assign a flare and click on post to share your video. And when someone clicks on the link, he will be led to the YouTube video or the article you embedded the link of. Anyhow, since the same post has been posted 3 times in different ways, I'm just deleting the 2 out of 3. And this is how you can share your YouTube videos on your subreddit. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.